Hey, it's Lulu, and I'm here to share a secret with you guys. So lately I've been using my own homemade toothpaste, but I just stumbled across an even better recipe. This one is for brighter and whiter teeth and a healthier smile. So if you're interested, please keep on watching. For this DIY, you will need coconut oil, baking soda, and peppermint oil. So start out with 1/4 cup of coconut oil, and then add in 2 tablespoons of baking soda and about 20 drops of peppermint essential oil. You can add more or less to your liking. So what I like most about this homemade toothpaste is that it's all natural and fluoride free. For my thoughts on fluoride, check out my blog lululoveslife.com. So mix well and it will turn into a creamy consistency and it smells delicious. Store in a container in a cool, dry place for up to 7 to 10 days. So this is my everyday toothpaste, but now let's amp it up and add some activated charcoal.
Activated charcoal?
Yes, the secret is activated charcoal. So take about 1 tablespoon of the toothpaste and then add the contents of 1 capsule of activated charcoal. And now you have yourself an all-natural ultra whitening toothpaste. I'm opting to add in a bit more peppermint because I love how this stuff smells. So use this once or twice per week for a bright white smile, healthy gums, and fresh breath. So I was going to demo the day-to-day toothpaste, but I decided to show you the charcoal version because I am just so amazed at how radiant this stuff makes my smile. The activated charcoal binds to stains and draws them away from your teeth. The coconut oil and baking soda help reduce bacteria, and the peppermint oil smells amazing and gives you fresh breath. One last point to note, I am using Tom's of Maine-Naturally clean toothbrush. I love it because it's plant-based and BPA free. I really hoped you enjoyed this DIY. If you love this video, please thumbs up, and as always, if you love Lulu, don't forget to share the love. Thanks for watching.